Your BettaCare Auto-Close gate has a one-way gate stopper. This means that the gate will only open in your desired direction. At the moment, this gate is positioned to open out this way, and then it will close. It closes automatically, and it's not possible to open the gate this way because it's getting caught on the central latch here. Now we're able to change the direction of opening with a couple of simple manoeuvres. First we open the gate, and then we undo the two screws which are holding the latch in position here. We will also be turning the direction of opening on the widget in the bottom corner of the gate. First we open the gate, and then with our Phillips screwdriver we undo the latch at the top and at the bottom. We'll then push the gate through to the other side, and then we'll re-secure the latch in the opposite direction. We put both screws into position here. We then turn our attention to the widget at the bottom. Now what you'll notice with the widget is you can remove it by raising the gate and taking the widget out. Okay, the widget you'll see has an arrow pointing in the direction of opening. Now we're going to turn this over so the arrow is pointing in the direction of opening that we now require, which is this way. We simply raise the gate, slot it back into position on this side, and then what should happen now is your gate should auto close in the opposite direction, and it won't be able to open towards me. It will be able to open and auto close in that direction.